ungwe sun a. People. So we have our root for people, ungwe, and sun a is another way that we pluralize things. So person pluralized equals people. Now we have a few different roots that we're talking about here. In this column, we're talking about children. In this column, we're talking about people. And in this column, we're talking about old people. Down here, we're talking about young men and then young women. So let's take a look at all of those words. We have ii, which means I or me. Geksa'a. So this is our prefix for I to it. So I am a child. So me, the child. Gungwe, I am a person. Wagekstaha, I am an old person. Ize, which means you. Seksa'a, you're a child, or you the child. Sungwe, you're a person. Sakstaha, you're an old person. Rauha, raksa'a, him. So we have our he to it prefix with the root for child. He is a boy or a boy. Rungwe, man, or he is a man. Rokstaha, old man. Agauha means her or she. Yeksa'a, our prefix for she to it with the root child, means girl, our word for girl. Yagungwe, our word for woman. She is a woman. Female prefix to it with our root for person. Agokstaha, she is an old woman, or just simply our word for old woman. Dehniasa. Now look at the bottom of the page here. We have a little key, and we're explaining here that dehniasa means two males, or a male and a female. Degeniasa means two females. Degene is our word for two. De generally, a lot of times, indicates two of something. Ronuha means a group of males, a mixed group of males and females. Unuha means a group of females. So let's go back up here and take a look at the rest of these terms. Dehniasa means two males, or a male and a female. Dehniksa'a means two children. Dehnungwe, two people or two males. Dehodikstaha, two old people or two old men. Deganiyasa, this is to do specifically with females. So deganiksa'a means two girls. Deganungwe, two women. Deyodikstaha, two old women. Ronuha, a group of males or a group of mixed people. Radiksa ogun'a, so that can mean a group of children or boys, specifically boys or boys and girls together. Ranungwe, so a group of men or a mixed group of people. Ranungwe. Rodiksta ogun'a, old men or old people. Onuha, gundiksa ogun'a, so specifically females. Gundiksa ogun'a, girls, a group of girls. Gunungwe, women. Yodiksta ogun'a or odiksta ogun'a, old women. And continuing down our list, we have ii, which means I or me. I am a young man. Genegontero. Gyatdezea. Gyatdezeha. I'm a young woman. Ize for you. Senegontero. You're a young man. Jatdezeha. You're a young woman. Rauha, which means him or he. Ranegontero. He is a young man. Notice we don't have the term here because it just doesn't make sense in the language to use the female prefix on this term, which means young man. Instead, we have a gaunha for her or she, yeyat dezeha, young woman. Dehneasa for two people, dehne negantero, two young men. Degeniasa, degeniyat dezeha, two young women. Runuha, a mixed group of people or a group of men. Radine kantara ogun'a. In this case, this definitely just means men, young men. Onuha, a group of women. So gundayat deze ogun'a, young women. Onuha is females, plural.